welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna bring you like how I lay my frontal, and this is how I lay it. And if you want to see how to get this look, I like try this like a realistic way of doing it. I usually like cheat this way sometimes by not using the blow dryer, whatever. But yeah, and if you're interested in this hair, let me show you how long it gets. It's like really long. Like if I pull it, it goes like all the way here. So yeah, a discount code for this hair will be down below. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and then let's just keep watching. Bye. Oh wait, don't forget to follow me on all my social media links, State of Dallas, everything basically. Well, it'll be down below, so yeah. See. Okay, first I'm gonna take a stocking cap, and I'm gonna take this powder. This is a NYX No Filter powder, and this is in mahogany. So this is what it looks like. And then this little brush, it's like a foundation brush, and this is from Dress Up Brush. I'm just going to basically powder this with this. Now I'm going with this powder, and this is the black radiance powder, and this is in black coffee. It's because this part like is harder to color, so around the perimeter I'm just gonna go around. Here's the wig right here, and this is by Miyihair. I really don't know how to pronounce the name, but I'll put it here. And yeah, and this is for a bundle. It's in the frontal. The frontal is 20 inch. The bundles are 228 and 226 inch bundles. So yeah, and this is the 3A curly hair. You can use my code StateofDallas to get money off. So yeah, just letting you. I really love this hair. Like, it looks so nice, and it's so long. I feel like it's longer than 28 inches on me. Like, it goes like past my hip. So I'm going to be installing this one today. And yes, I did make this wig myself. Okay, basically I just mapped out like how I want it to look. So like kind of like this. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my Got2b gel. This is the black one. I like this one. And the freeze spray. So these two together. And I'm going to first apply this and then spray a little bit on here. You can use a blow dryer. The blow dryer like is a faster process, to be honest. But sometimes let it air dry. But I'll probably use the blow dryer today. Because yeah, this is like how you properly lay it. Here I'm just going in, and I'm going to place down the Got2b gel wherever it needs to be to get ready for the blow dryer. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer on high heat and on the cool setting, and I'm just going to blow dry this side first, and then like lay this, and then do the other side. So I'm going to spray some Got2b. Freeze spray on it. And now I'm just placing it down and like pressing with a lot of pressure to like where you want it to stick. And this may take a while. This is like the longest process right here. This is the part I hate, but it's a very, very necessary one. So sometimes it may stick, sometimes it may not. So if it doesn't stick, then just apply a little bit more gel and apply the blow dryer, and then do it again. So yeah, this process is quite long, but you're going to do this to both sides. And you want to also like make sure your blow dry is in a cool setting, and you can like even hold it and like blow dry it so that it can stay in place. And honestly, the ear tabs are really the most difficult part. Like, they're really annoying. So yeah, it may take a few times for you to actually get them right. And yeah, Also, then I just did the same thing to the other side, applied the Got2b gel, and then applied the blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm just going to press with a lot of pressure to lay it. And here I'm just cutting where it needs to be, like there's excess lace, there's too much, so I'm just cutting off some so that like it can look better and it doesn't look like I'm like actually have a lace frontal like so much obvious. So yeah, just want to do that, and be very careful with this because you don't want to cut yourself with a lot of hair, so just cut off as little as possible until you like you know you got it right. You don't want to cut off too much, but just go little by little. Okay, now I'm gonna use a spray bottle and like spray the top, and then I'm going to brush the hair back. And now I'm gonna take this mousse, this Aussie mousse, and I'm gonna lay the baby hairs. And I'm gonna use this toothbrush. It's like an old raggedy Oral-B toothbrush.
We just want to make you go cycles. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Last verse before the award show. Icons had it on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this fire, I'm also. Young Katie died on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living. So I don't think a label business just did it. Did it for 5 minutes. I'm smart in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just feel the big tickets. When we get up, there's nowhere to go. You can feel it, you're looking at the damn. Look, the yellow ones are more rifle. Miyihair not to go circle. Put my hands up in the Bible. Wait, go keep this like Michael.
Now I'm gonna like do the part two. Okay, and I just brushed my hair out because I want it to be like more poofy or whatever, but I'm going to put a little bit more Cantu leave-in conditioner. Just calm it down a little. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll lay the frontal. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!